guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I have been gone for the last video that I had on my channel was from 5 months ago. I've been trying to get some content ideas because I want to grow my subscribers if I'm going to really be serious about this YouTube thing. I've been thinking of video ideas, and I've been doing my banner, my intro, and a lot of that stuff. So today I'm doing a hair review for Bestaphrohair. This is the packaging they sent me. Okay, so they sent 3 bundles of 16-inch light color brown, and I actually like the hair. I took it out, washed it, conditioned it, boiled it in hot water. The hair overall is very soft. It doesn't shed. It's no cons to this hair. The shipping was fast. They have really nice packaging. I don't like when hair companies have a plain package. So it's like a big Ziploc bag for your hair. You just open it up, put your hair back in it. And I've been actually storing extensions in here. So today with Bestaphrohair, I'm going to be making a wig. They sent me 3 bundles of 16-inch, like I mentioned earlier. The hair is soft. It don't even shed as running my hands through it. All wrapped up. Packaging was very nicely. The hair, even before and after I washed it, it has the same smell. It doesn't even have a smell. It just smells like fresh hair. It smells the same. Hey, with all my hair extensions, I like to boil them. So that's what I did. The hair very soft. You can easily comb through it, and I didn't do anything to this. I didn't do anything to it. It just air dried. This is the wig head I'm going to be using today. I just bought this before the video, and I'm not using this cap. They only sent me bundles. They did not send me a closure, so I had a closure. The knots are bleached and it's pre-plucked. So like I said, I had went to the beauty supply before I started filming this video. I'm not going to be gluing the wig. I'm going to be sewing it. I got a dome cap. So I got a needle and thread. And of course, I had to get got-to-be glue. The got-to-be glue, needle and thread, and a dome cap. And then I ended up buying the mannequin head as well. Okay, so when I started making this wig, it was a little hard because this was my first time making a wig, and I just wanted to do something different because I didn't want to get a sew-in. So the first thing that I did was sew it on the closure, and that's the easiest thing because I know how to do closures already. The knots are bleached, and I plucked it. It came with baby hairs, so that was easy for me. Now when making this wig, at the end I did have to cut the wefts, but I didn't really get shedding, and I don't get shedding at all on this hair. I'm gonna leave Bestaphro links to their website and Instagram down below, and I'm gonna try to get y'all a promotion code so when you get bundles you can get it for a discounted price. But yeah, the wig was very easy to make. The bundles itself, like the wefts, are thick, so that would really so today is a new day. Yesterday I had fell asleep after I sewed down a half a bundle, and the closure I was tired. I was running around that whole day, going to the beauty supply, trying to find stuff to bleach the knots and pluck it, and I had to get the mannequin and stuff like that. So yeah, and I didn't cut none of the tracks until I got to the top, and I only cut 2 pieces. And I hate to cut my wefts, but I had to. I did the flip over method because, like I said, I don't like cutting tracks. The wig, it was very easy, but the wefts, again, they are very thick. Meaning, like, this hair will last because the wefts are thick, and I like thick wefts because, like, that's how you know when your hair is gonna last, and the hair isn't thin at all. At the top, I tried to make it as neatly as I can. I wanted the tracks to be flat with all the bundles because the hair is very thick. 3 bundles is enough. What I did was I doubled all the wefts, so no single wefts, all doubled. And on the last bundle, I made sure I sewed it like as close as I can by the closure. Make sure you guys go check out Bestaphrohair. I will be giving you guys a promotion code, and I've been on their website, like their bundle deals, like everything on there is affordable, it's not too much. So when you go check them out, make sure you tell them Donisha sent you. Make sure you guys like this video, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you go hit up Bestaphrohair to get you some bundles that will last. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video.